If you're after a martini that pairs perfectly with food, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, I am back and today I'm going to make a Mediterranean gin martini. It is created by the guys at Threefold Distilling. Steve the bartender, if you haven't followed him on YouTube, check him out. He's fantastic. He's another Aussie that has been doing fantastic things and I kind of look up to the man. They've got their own gin. They wanted to create a gin that is made for having with food, right? So this works fantastically with pizza, pasta, charcuterie, great with oysters as well. I had it the other day. So today I'm going to make a Mediterranean martini. Now they suggest that we use a Manzanilla Sherry. That's what I'm going to do today. So stirred down cocktail, and the first thing that I want to do is I want to chill down my glassware. Now at 18th Amendment Bar, every time that we make a martini, we chill our glassware down with some liquid nitrogen because there's nothing worse than having a warm glass with a martini. It's meant to be savoured, take you a little bit of time drinking it, so the colder that you can make that glass, the better it is. Really simple. I'm going to make it at the specs that I enjoy in my martini, and that is, to start with, we'll do 60 mils or 2 ounces with a Mediterranean gin. So the botanicals in this, obviously being Mediterranean, is olives, brine, thyme. Oh, I can smell it already. If you want to learn a little bit more about it, I did do a review on it, and the video's at the end of this video. Okay, so I'm going to do 15 mils because I like 15 mils of vermouth normally in a martini. So technically it's kind of like a wet martini, but I'm going to do 15 mils or half an ounce of the Manzanilla Sherry. I can smell that already. It's that really nice nuttiness coming from that vermouth, from that sherry. And we're going to stir it down. And this liquid nitrogen is going off. All right. Stir it down. We need to dilute down our martini. Never tried this before, so I'm really eager to see how it goes. And what I'm doing now is I'm trying to dilute down the cocktail and also chill it down. I find that I like to try my martini a couple times just to make sure that it is perfect. Wow, it's really good. I could definitely sit down to a charcuterie board, some nice cheese, and have a couple of these martinis, I think. All right, I'm going to give it one more taste. Ooh, that is really good. Oh. How are you going everywhere around the world? We are finally sort of like back to normal. It's only been the last few weeks that we don't have to check for people's vaccinations and stuff to get into 18th Amendment. So finally, hopefully it's time to catch up on the last 2 years. So get out and support all the venues. We really do need that. That looks so cool. Beautiful. For my garnish, I'm going to do some olives, which I think you could use some thyme as well if you wanted to, but I love 3 olives. Eat away, sip away. Mediterranean gin martini by the guys at Threefold. Cheers, let's try it. It's 10 in the morning and I think I'm going to finish this one because I cannot be pouring this drink out. So I'm going to have that with a little bit of olive. Get rid of that pip. That's a cracking martini. Get out and try this. It's it is so good. All right. I think that's perfect. I like those specs. 60, 15, stir it down, chuck some olives in there. Bob's your uncle, as we say in Australia. Guys, if you like this cocktail and like what we do, please like, subscribe to Steve as well, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.